Kenya, we have over these 4 years trained across the 3 academies, Kenya being the host of the East Africa Academy, more than 300 students, and it's a year commitment that we have. We are ready to embark on 2024 class, which is starting in the next 4 weeks. So, and we continue to improve, to equip our next generation storytellers with the best technical skills and filmmaking skills to tell us really authentic stories. As you heard, these African stories need to be told in an authentic way, and by having a cross-cultural academy with 4 countries, we definitely are starting to tell the authentic stories. You know, in multi-choice, after sports, we have the top 10 shows, 9 of them are Kenyan.
In fact, this whole program is in perfect sync with the Talanta Hela agenda of identifying talent, nurturing, improving those talents, and monetizing those talents, making it possible for young Kenyans to build sustainable livelihoods using their talents. And the partnership we have with the multi-choice talent factory, the Talent Academy, is providing opportunity for young people to really realize their dreams in the film industry, whether as actors, actresses, but especially also as producers, as directors. That whole ecosystem of the film industry is a big beneficiary of this program. And for us, this is something that government is fully supportive of. We are in the process now of consolidating the creative economy. We are drafting the creative economy bill, and all that is just to provide the right environment to develop talents, to monetize talents, and provide another stream where young Kenyans can build livelihoods besides the traditional white-collar employment.